Force closing the Walmart app and reopening it fixes temporary freezing more often than any other single troubleshooting step, because it clears the app's active session without affecting your account or orders. By the end of this video, you'll know the fastest fixes to stop the Walmart app from freezing, and what to do if the problem keeps coming back. Start by completely closing the Walmart app instead of minimizing it. On iPhone, swipe up from the app switcher. On Android, open recent apps and swipe Walmart away. Then reopen the app and check whether it responds normally. If it's still freezing, restart your phone. A restart clears temporary memory issues that can cause apps to become unresponsive, especially after long periods without rebooting. Next, make sure you're using the latest version of the Walmart app. Open the Apple App Store on iPhone or Google Play Store on Android, search for Walmart, and install any available update. App updates often include fixes for stability problems and compatibility with newer operating system versions. Now, check your internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi and mobile data to see if the freezing only happens on one network. If pages never finish loading, the app may appear frozen even though it's waiting for a connection. If the issue continues, clear the app cache on Android. Open Settings. Then, Apps, Walmart, eStorage, and tap Clear Caching. If you're using an iPhone, there isn't a separate cache button, so the best option is reinstalling the app if the earlier steps didn't help. Another common cause is outdated phone software. Open your device settings, check for any available system updates, install them if available, and restart your device before testing Walmart again. If reinstalling is necessary, uninstall the Walmart app, restart your phone, then download it again from the official App Store. Sign back into your account and check whether the freezing has stopped. If the app only freezes during checkout, while viewing orders, or when searching for products, the problem may be related to Walmart's servers rather than your phone. In that case, wait a while and try again later, instead of repeatedly reinstalling the app. If none of these fixes work, contact Walmart customer support through the help section on the Walmart website or another device so they can check for account-specific issues. To recap, force close and reopen the app, update both the Walmart app and your phone, and reinstall the app if the problem continues. Try those steps in order because they solve most freezing issues with the least effort. If this video helped, leave a like and subscribe for more quick troubleshooting guides.